Sup? I'm Edwin. Today we're going to be learning about drums. You probably noticed that my S's are kind of funny, and I'm talking kind of funny. Reason being, I have Invisaligners in my teeth, and they make me talk funny. And they're also fixing my teeth. So, you win some, lose some. Great way to start a video. So yeah, let's discuss the drum set. We'll identify all the parts, and then we'll play a beat. I think it's a beat that everyone kind of already knows how to play, even if you're not a drummer. So it's very easy. Someone's going to walk to the drum set right now. You might recognize him because it's me, right? Good stuff, right? What's up, Edwin? What's up, me? What's up, me? All right, that's fine. So let's identify what we're playing. So the first thing we're going to hit is called the bass drum. Hit me with that bass drum. Nice. Right? All right. Now let's do the snare. Even better. Sounds good, doesn't it? It does. All right, tom 1. Not bad. Floor tom. Nice, right? Feels good right there. Okay, and now we're going to play the hi-hat. That sounds okay. This is trashy hats. There's some jingles in there. Let's play crash 1. It's going to be on your left or your right. My left. Okay, good. Crash 2 is going to be on your right. My right. Your left. This is terrible. All right. And this is called the ride cymbal. That has a lot of holes in it. The one thing I want to tell you about instruments, I'm going on a tangent, in general, in life in general, you can make whatever you have work for you. You don't have to have the best of the best. You can have a pawn shop kit that's $100, make it sound good. I like to find kits and snares that work in my budget, artists on a budget kind of thing. So I make things work for me. This kit behind me is actually one of my friends, or I'm sitting on. This drum kit that I'm sitting on, it's a Dixie kit. It's made in Japan, and it's made out of cheap wood. And you can find made in Japan kits from the 60s and 70s for like $150, $200. Some you can find on Craigslist for like $75. $75. Tell your parents to get you a drum set. Anyways, enough about that. All right, so this is a simple beat everyone kind of plays. We're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, because you need me to count for you. So 1, we're gonna hit the bass drum. On 2, again, I gotta tell you what 2 looks like. Hit the snare. On 3, hit the bass drum. On 4, hit the snare. Now, if you don't have a drum set, you can do this kind of wherever you are. You can stomp on your feet on 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy, right? So you can take that. Might not be easy. A lot of people can't do that. Some people can't. Sorry. Now we're going to put 1 on bass drum, 2 on snare, like I said before. And your hi-hat, we should talk about sticks. Oh, I forgot about sticks. So you need drumsticks. You just need sticks, something to hit a drum set with. So you have 1 on your right hand, 1 on your left hand. Your right hand goes on your hi-hat, which we discussed already. Your left hand goes on the snare. So you're like this. If you're left-handed, though, you can still do this. I know some people who are left-handed that play like this. But if you're left-handed, you can play with your left hand on the hi-hat and your right hand on the snare. Or if you invert the kit and you still want to play like this, you can. Everything's just going to look opposite. I can't do that. I can't play. I can kind of play like this. So, right hand, hi-hat, left hand, snare. Almost forgot. Right foot on your bass drum, and your left foot goes on the hi-hat stand. There's a pedal, not on the stand, but the pedal underneath it. You close the hi-hats. You leave them closed. You can open them, but these hi-hats don't sound that good. They sound terrible. But for a song that I'm doing for my buddy, anyways, you don't want to hear that. We're learning about drums. So, close the hi-hat. That's what that whole thing was about. So, what now? Oh, play the beat. So, bass drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So now we're gonna do hi-hat on 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, we're doing right foot on 1, left hand on 2. Correction. Right foot on 1 and 3, left hand on 2 and 4. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then hi-hat's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you put it all together. 1, 2. Why am I why am I showing you? I got somebody on the drum kit doing it for me. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Now, sometimes whenever you're playing the drum kit, your right hand wants to do what your right foot is doing. You gotta kind of break that up. You're probably, maybe, unless you're a prodigy, you already have it down. If not, it's all good. What you can do is just follow your right hand, follow your right foot. Just don't hit it on the snare. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Just show them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Yeah. But you can start there and then start adding it. I want to let you know a secret. That beat that you're learning, thousands, I'm talking about thousands of songs have that beat. You learn this one beat, you can do drum covers. I'm like countless. You pop songs, worship songs. I'm gonna let you know a lot of worship songs. It's 4 on the floor, and that's super easy. I'm talking. You want to know what 4 on the floor is? Basically, your bass drum. You do 1, 2, 3, 4 the whole entire time. You want to know? Okay, here. You can play at church after this lesson is done. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. But the cool thing about drums, you don't have to stay there. You can add more to it. You can put more hi-hats in. You can put more bass drum. You can do a fill. You want to know what a fill is? Oh, fills are fun. Here's a fill. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to put a fill in between what we just learned? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Phil, you're getting there. That's it. Edwin's not here today, but I can show you a clip of my son playing with one of my favorite drummers. His name is Steve Jordan. He plays for a lot of people. He's called the Groove Master. I might have made that up, maybe, but he's good. And he once told my son that, you don't need to hear this. So this is my son playing with Steve Jordan in Nashville, Tennessee. And he just got on the kit and started going at it. Enjoy.
Earlier, but this is what I want you to do. If you practice this, you're going to have a long career. Okay, here you go. There you go. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. That's what it's all about, right? Yeah.